Hey friends, Big Bad Jones here again with Little Rick. We got us some steel targets set up down there that we got last night. We'll just be shooting probably a couple different handguns and check his channel out. I know you've seen him in several of my videos already, but check him out. Hopefully he'll get a camera for Christmas next year instead of an AR so he can put up some better stuff. Keep watching.
Here I got a Ruger SP101 357. I'm shooting 38 special Monarch Academy ammo through it. I like it. It's probably not the greatest for concealed carry, mainly because it's pretty heavy, but I wanted something that was a 357, and I wasn't even intending on buying it, but I went to the local store there in my hometown and I grabbed it, and a green-eyed monster just jumped all over me and I bought it. Some of you gun guys don't know anything about that, but I like it. It's a good shooting gun. I just need to shoot it a lot more. There you go.
Got it.
Looks like I hit it high.
I'll be shooting the Smith & Wesson Shield in 40 Smith & Wesson. It's got this little techna clip on it. Nice little handy package. Let's see if I can hit that target. It's about 30 yards away roughly. So let's see if I can hit anything with it. Getting close, ain't I? Where am I at? Can you tell?
You're out in front of it. Maybe the left and high. Somewhat. A little closer still left.
That's all the ammo I got for this gun. Just shot all my 40 rounds and I didn't hit the target, so it's not the gun's fault though, I assure you.
This here is a Taurus, however you want to say it, Millennium G2 PT111. I bought the gun only because Academy had it where you could buy one of these and get a Heritage Rough Rider 22 revolver free, and I was gonna actually half it with my uncle. He's gonna buy half the price of this, but I got it and I liked it real well, and it's been a good carry gun. Not the most compact, but for a mid-sized gun I really like it. I think they're getting more popular and going up in price, but you used to get these for pretty cheap. I don't know, would you say like 150 or something like that, but I really like it. It's been a good gun for me. The main thing you'll find out on these, trigger pull is way down on them, but some of the features I really like. It's got this thumb safety. It's in a really good spot, just easy to use. The safety, internal safety on the trigger, and it's also double action, so you don't have to reset the trigger. And but it's been a good gun. I really like it.
I'm going to be shooting the SIG P226 here, Legion. Awesome gun. I've done a review on it. It's got a nice trigger pull, nice smooth action. Just a nice overall gun. If you're looking for a gun and you want to spend some money, this would be the way to go. I didn't pay that much for this one. Found it at a pawn shop for about $400. Not a bad price. I did some swapping and some trading in order to get it, but that's an awesome gun. That about wraps it up. We're out of ammo now and fixing to go in there and clean our guns. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, have a great day.